To my dear colleagues from UAP Green Hills Chapter, happy 35th anniversary to all of us. We've certainly come a long way from when we formed this chapter in 1990 with Tita Celid Dizon, Atengcora Tandok, Marimael Kayanan, Janet Kutamko, Boy Dumlao, and others. I served as Charter Vice President and then Chapter President for 2 terms. Congratulations to our incumbent officers led by our dear President Catherine Tuanyo. And I wish you all the best, and may our chapter continue to serve the interests of our members, our profession, and of the general public. Mabuhay ang UAP Green Hills Chapter. Mabuhay ang arkitektong Pilipino. May the greatest architect of the universe be with us all always. See you soon.
Anniversaries are both fun-filled and nostalgic. They bring happy and some sad memories. For the UAP Green Hills Chapter, put up by 3 not too old lady architects, Tita Celid Dizon, Tita Cory Tandok, and myself, Tita Mariel Kayanan, with the objective of getting you and useful architects to feel confident and join UAP events because they observe that these professionals feel somehow left out during national events of the organization. The new chapter had its baptism of fire because it was before it was finally chartered by the UAP National Board. But that is an entirely new, different story. From a starting new chapter, it is indeed now one of the most active and significant sub-organizations within the District A5 and highly acknowledged in the national organization. Congratulations and good job to all the officers and members of the UAP chapter, and keep the violin's fire burning. Thank you and good living.